AI agents were supposed to save you time, but copy-pasting their context across every repo, well, that's AI setup fragmentation. The good news is we have a fix for you. Today, we are excited to announce the launch of Skills Manager for JetBrains AI Assistant. If you're totally new to AI skills, no worries. My colleague Crystal made a killer video breaking them down. Check it out right over here. But if you're ready to see how we manage and scale these capabilities across projects, let's go ahead and dive in. To understand why Skills Manager matters, we have to look at what a skill actually does. A skill isn't just a glorified saved prompt. Skills give your agent structured, reliable capabilities, like knowing your team's code formatting or automating browser debugging. Skills Manager brings that directly into your IDE. You can install a skill globally for your personal workflows, or save it at the project level and check it into version control. That means your whole team inherits the exact agent capability the second they pull the repo. We're launching with a catalog of over 130 skills from upstream repositories. But since this is our own registry, we actively screen every skill for prompt injections and malicious code before it reaches you. We also preserve the original author's metadata for proper credit. Looking ahead, this opens the door for companies to upload their own skills tailored to their specific tech stacks and recommended workflows.
Let's check out skills in action. Say I'm on the front-end team. I'm going to install the React Best Practices skill from Vercel. Using Codex inside AI Assistant, I add the skill and ask for a UI component. Codex implements the new component while optimizing it with React Best Practices guidance. The job is done perfectly to spec, without me writing a single configuration prompt. But what about the backend team? They might prefer using Claude Agent. No problem. Skills Manager is agent agnostic.
Skills Manager is all about making your agents practical, organized, and secure. Less duplicated setup and a faster path from this task is repetitive to this agent is equipped for the job. Update your AI assistant plugin today and try a skill like the one from GitHub that automatically fixes failing PR checks. It's an absolute lifesaver. And keep an eye out, because we have some exciting new agent integrations rolling out very soon. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.